Welcome back to the workshop. In today's episode we're doing Secret Santa. This Christmas some other woodworking YouTubers and I are doing a Secret Santa. The rules are simple: make a box and send it to the other person. This is my entry. I'm going to use what I believe is walnut and cherry. And you might be asking, why do this? Why do this? Why not? So we're going to make a box. But before we do that, let's get rid of this nonsense. Much better. So I've got my walnut and my ash cut and thicknessed. The walnut ended up at about 7.5 millimeters. The ash is at 5 millimeters. I did want the walnut to be around 10. I was going to cut the 200 mil, 100 mil, take the end off and leave the rest as the lid. I forgot to do that, so at the moment I have no lid, so I need another piece of wood. I did think what I might do is the section between the walnut lid and the walnut base, you stick a piece of ash on there and then just flush trim that to act as just a little colour separator between the base of the lid. That might look quite nice. I'm going to try that as well. So I've done my test cuts. I've got a groove in here. Using a stop block, I then used a piece of hardboard. The one that I used was 2.7 millimeters, just as a spacer here. Butt it up against that just to get the offset. Now, using 2.7 millimeters, there's a tiny bit of wobble. This one is 2.4 millimeters, and the difference between the wobble and that is about 0.3 millimeters. So using this one instead should give me a nice snug fit. This is the first big moment of truth. We'll see if this has actually gone to plan. Hopefully it has, because I don't have an awful lot of time to start again if it hasn't. Not bad. It's a little bit overhang on that one, but I would say that's pretty good. with those bits cut out, we now have a little assembly of all of these tiny pieces that goes something like this. Oops. It's very difficult to do without glue, especially when it's cold and my hands are a bit shaky. But something like this, which leaves enough room there for that. There you go at the back, and it should all be nice and solid as a, not quite a gentleman's tray, but a little tray to keep some beeswax in inside the box and have something here, whether it's, I don't know, change, gold, treasure, all of those things.
I hear my wife calling. I gotta go.
I've received a box. It comes from Wayne at Woodworking, and you can see his channel in the description below. So we're going to open it and see what we've got. So it's come in multiple parts. We've got a walnut base. It's got a very, very smooth finish. I don't know what grit he's done that to, but I'm guessing quite high. I mean, it feels a lot smoother than 320, so maybe in his video we'll see that. But it's quite a sturdy box, very thick. Got some inserts here, I'm guessing I'll stick those in. We've got 4 compartments in there for sweets, and a lid with quite a nice design on the top. So it's 2 or 3, I don't know how many you want to count. So there's the rebate there, that sits on the top, and then inside there's like a little lip, and it looks like a present. I wonder if that was what he was going for. A little handle, reset screw underneath, all slots together nicely. Looks like a little present. What do you think? Nice. Thank you, Wayne. Thank you to everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave a comment, let me know what you think about the box, and also the other boxes in this series as well. There will be a playlist of all of the boxes, and I'd like to thank everybody else as well for participating. All of their channels will be in the description below. There is a live stream that we're going to do, all 9 channels hopefully, on the 20th of December at 7 PM EST, and I'll link to the Woodworking YouTubers channel for that live stream. I hope to see you there. Until the next one, take care.